So this video is about Chaturthi, where I'm going to spend my day at my friend's house. So in this video I'm going to tell my experiences and I'm going to explore all these traditions and cultures. So hope you'll like it. So guys, we have already reached my friend's place. So let us go in and check out what's going on. As we all know, the story of Ganesh Chaturthi or Vinayak Chaturthi is a festival celebrated annually to mark the birth of Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha is considered the god of new beginnings and fresh start. Preparations to this festival begin much earlier by people making clay idols and painting them. They also decorate their entire house beautifully to welcome Lord Ganesha. A day before his arrival, his altar is decorated with red and yellow flowers, and above his head there is a beautiful wooden canopy decorated with wide variety of fruits, vegetables and herbs called as the Matoli. As the preparations continue, the start of the festival begins with a Vedic hymn. He is anointed with red sandalwood paste along with red and yellow flowers. He is also offered with coconut jaggery and 21 modaks, which is considered to be his favorite food. The festival proceeds further with lots of blessings and visits from near and far relatives. Considering this video to be the 11 days of Lord Ganesha, this last day turns out to be very emotional to the entire family. On this last day, they wake up early in the morning, recite their Vedic hymns along with their priest, seeking blessings from Lord Ganesha. Another specialty of this festival is the amazingly tasty veg food. This food is served on a banana leaf and is called Panchapakwan as it consists of 5 different vegetables. It is first served to Lord Ganesha and then the rest can have it. There is also a ritual where a couple is kept to whom you tell your wishes and then they offer it to God.
आमचे आजे पणजे 11 दीस दवरताले गणपती. त्याच्या उपरांत आमच्या बापायन बी त्याच्या पयलीं भाव पण तेंच्यांनी दवरली. सो त्याच्या उपरांत आमच्या बापायन दवरल्या उपरांत मागीर आतां आमची पिढी आतां अजून पर्यंत आमची एक पिढी जो एक आसा आमच्या फाटल्या पिढीचो आमचो एक धाकटो काका आसा. म्हजो भाव म्हजो बापी लक्ष्मण नायक. फुडें देखून देवान आमकां सगळ्या आमच्या भुरग्यांक सुद्दां तेंच्या भुरग्यांक सुद्दां अशें दिवचें की 11 दीस कायम दवरपाचो आनी एकजुटान एक मेळून आमी सगळे फॅमिली व्हडली फॅमिली आसा आमची 50 फॅमिली आसा. आमी मेळून एक कुटुंबाचो म्हूण गणपती आमी 11 दीस दवरतात आनी ह्या सगळ्या मेहनतीचें फळ जावं आशिर्वाद आमच्या गणपतीचो आमकां खूब मेळ्ळा. खूब आमकां गणपतीन दिलें आसा. आमचे सुद्दां म्हणून आसा
आता 1.5 वर्सां तरी जालें आमकां तितलें हें करून. पण आमचे पयलीं झोपडी कशी आसली मागीर आमी हे गेल्या 2 वर्सां हे बांदलें. तेच्या पयलीं हे बांदलें कितें जागो आमकां पावना म्हणून.
Post lunch, all the relatives sit together, dance on folk songs, sing and chit-chat. Later, when it's time for Ganesha to say see you soon, a final puja is held.
गणपती बाप्पा पुढच्या वर्षी गणपती बाप्पा पुढच्या वर्षी.
In every puja, rice grains, akshata, are thrown to attract the deity's positive energy. Then, the one specific fruit known as karano in Konkani is removed from the matoli, cooked, wrapped in banana leaves along with keju and is tied to his left hand as a shidori, which resembles his tiffin box. While he leaves the house, his legs are washed and the water is worshipped as sacred. After that, he is given the Gauri Bhet, which resembles his mother meeting him. The Gauri is made of 5 different wild plants. After the ritual, she is thrown on the rooftop. Ganesha is always faced towards the house and taken out. That is, for him to return again. People perform dindi while on the way. Once they reach the spot of immersion, a small prayer is done. And then finally he is taken to the river, which symbolizes his homeward journey towards Mount Kailash to his parents Shiv and Parvati. That was my celebration for Ganesh Chaturthi this year. It was really fun exploring all the rituals followed during this festive season. I would really like to thank all the people who have helped and supported me and made this video a success. And also, I would like to thank you all for watching my video till the end. If in case I have missed out anything, then please comment in the comment box below. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.